Nandito na si Rapunzel, si Rapunzel, Rapunzel. Rapunzel in middle. Southern Post. How dare you na nakawan mo ako? Yan, igisa mo muna. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Textures. What? Sabi ko, kailangan ko pala ng makalabi ko kung ikaw na rin nagbabakasakay. And then I'll brush and brush and brush and brush my teeth. Scooby-Doo, pa, pa! Yeah, boom, 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 boom! Joke nga lang eh! You're gonna meet my friend Sheena. Sheena, she's from a P-pop girl group. A Filipino girl group. She's my friend.
Sorry guys again, miscommunication, malfunction, maltreatment. Naka-electric fan pa pag naka-aircon. Wow! Kuryente! Ikaw nagbabayad? May division, multiplication.
16 to 19. From the word itself, teen, bata pa, ang lamig pa. Like, sobrang OA. Siguro, okay siya for like, mga bata talaga. Siguro, yung 16 to 19 na temperature, pang 16 to 19 years old lang din. And I'm 21 na, kaya siguro,